During a short test flight with higher rotor spin rate, Ingenuity's cameras shot 7 frames per second. The result is the best look yet at helicopter flight on Mars.
Tango Delta.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars.
Thanks to its unexpected longevity, Ingenuity is now flying in the summer season on Mars in air 20% less dense than at the start of the mission. To overcome the loss of lift, the most recent flight tested a rotor spin rate of 2,700 RPM instead of the normal 2,500. Ingenuity uses its downward-looking black and white camera for navigation, typically shooting about 1 frame per second on longer flights. The test flight was only 23 seconds long, so the frame rate was increased to about 7 per second. Before I roll the video, here are some things you need to know. Perseverance uses twin rotors, each about 4 feet or about 1.2 meters long, that counter-rotate. This is how to keep a tailless helicopter from spinning out of control. Taking video of spinning rotors or propellers can induce a stroboscopic effect, sometimes called the wagon wheel effect, as the frame rate and shutter speed sync up with the spin rate. You'll see this strange effect in the Ingenuity video. Here's the view from a previous flight showing the location of Ingenuity's latest flight. That flight landed on the edge of a sand ripple. And here's the takeoff from that spot. I'll show the full 23 seconds of flight in real time, then go back and present some of the details. It's the shadow of Ingenuity that you see, with its counter-rotating rotors appearing to spin in slow motion thanks to the strobe effect. Ingenuity flew up 5 meters, about 16 feet, and then shifted over a few meters so that it wouldn't land on the ripple. Now let's take a look at some of the details. Here you can see the spots where the 2 feet pressed into the ripple, and also notice how the shadow of the rotors is lighter than other parts because of the blurring effect from their motion. And here you can see some specks of sand or dust flying around, the only evidence of any kind of prop wash from the rotors. There's no optically thick plume of dust to be seen. Here there's a slight shift in view as Ingenuity pitches to start its horizontal flight, and then it pitches back. The rapid descent ends with a landing that is not exactly gentle. Let's take a look at that again and in slow motion. Watch as the foot splashes up dirt and notice the rebound. Here it is at an even slower rate. This is how Ingenuity's landing looks seen from the Perseverance rover early in the mission. Here it is again in slow motion. There's definitely a little hop at the end. Be on the lookout for a future episode on Ingenuity's next flight, its 15th.